Well, we know very much the other side of medicine, which is the anomalies of a human being because of pollution, drugs, excessive exposing of radiation, X-rays, missions, and finally the very sensitive and very important thing is you are going to talk on the stage in front of our system people, mic system, recording system, giving message to the audience, to all of us, going to present a good message, a gift, a prize, anything. So very important aspect of knowledge is words. Very important aspect of knowledge is words. What you are talking to me is understood clearly. Before you are going to talk to me, also understood. While you are talking to me, is also understood. After that, the laughter also with us. This is a very, very, very important point, notion, and everything else. We will know how to dress, how to appear, how to look. I remember well, some people are adding pun. After so many years, I came to know that that is a pun. It is a double meaning, having one meaning having a vast subjects, other meaning has a very broad terms and subjects. There is no calculation to that. Somebody going to we are a disciple of university. We are talking with each other. There should be no repetition and there should be new thing. So he is cleverly and is presenting. We know about all those things. We also did that thing. That is called pun. So what you are telling to us is very important. If you go along with that pun, the laughter with you, and you are not showing laughter because you crossed the stage. You think that you crossed the stage of talking. There is no such thing. You crossed the stage of talking excessively, not excessively. You are talking pun, which has two meanings for easy understanding, which has two meaning. One meaning represent total universe, other meaning represent total laughter. It is a game of talking. There is no other meaning means in the official language. It is we take it as it is. Stick loose. Do only that.